Hey, what's poppin'? It's Juju. Today I filmed my everyday makeup tutorial and I'm mostly just stuck to the face and the brows because that is what my everyday look basically consists of. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like down below and comment down below also what video ideas you would like to see next. Without further ado. Okay, so the first step for the skin is going to be to moisturize. I'm going to start with a clean face. The cleanser I've been using recently is this one. This is by Shea Moisture. This is the clarifying facial wash and yeah, definitely. This is the clarifying facial wash and scrub. My bestie bought this for me for Christmas and it's still going on strong. It doesn't really help with acne, but if your skin problem is like texturized skin, I like this for that because it has little exfoliating beads that make your skin really soft and smooth. So I just use that, and then I like to moisturize with the Clean and Clear Acne Control Moisturizer, and I definitely like to use the oil-free one just because it feels less heavy. She's running low, but she's still holding on strong, so it's fine. I put my sister on this recently. We're gonna see if she likes it. I look like an egg. I look like a brown egg. That's fine. After this step, I like to go in with a bit of primer, but I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows first and then we'll get back into primer later. So now we have the brows on. They look alright, I guess. I need to get them done really bad and I need to get a spoolie so that I can brush them out, but I don't have one. So we're going to move on to primer next. Personally, I like to use 2 primers at a time. I like to use specifically a moisturizing primer or like a hydrating primer, and then can I English? Yeah, so I like to use a moisturizing primer for all over the face. This one is just the Master Prime Blur and Illuminate by Maybelline, and then I like to use one for my pores because your girl got craters for pores and it's hereditary. Thanks, mom. I like to use the NYX Pore Filler. This is just like a little mini size because I got it in Las Vegas. I haven't been using it recently because I was so stuck up on my baby skin primer by Maybelline, but she's good. If you want to try her out, I definitely recommend it. She's good. Ooh, I'm running low of this primer. I need to buy a new one. This is what it looks like though. It's kind of just like an iridescent type of shade, and I like to put this actually everywhere. I used to only like to put it on the high points of my face, but it just makes my skin look so pretty and glowy underneath my foundation that I just got used to using it literally everywhere. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the pore filler. Okay, this stuff is really weird. Like the texture of the stuff is so weird, but it works pretty well for just filling in all the gaps in my skin. And then another technique to use is to press the product into your skin with your fingertips. We're Gucci. Look at that, like, God. Okay, basically right now, I only have one foundation that like actually matches my skin, and I don't really like this foundation, but it's what we're gonna use today. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. This has SPF 15 and it's alright. It's not the best. It says to shake well. Maybe that's why I'm not liking it that much, because I never shake this. But yeah, we're gonna shake it and we're gonna apply it and we're gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. Where's my sponge? I'm really gonna freak out if I have to get up right now to wet it. I'm for real gonna have a breakdown. Where is it? Ooh, if I could I found her. She's a little dirty, but she's here. Also, did I mention this is a freaking draw foundation and I can never like figure out how to use it? Okay, before I mess this. Oh my god. I feel like a little Instagram beauty guru. And then you just want to pounce the booty blender. So the Tarte foundation didn't give me the coverage I wanted, so I just went in with like a little dollop of the Revlon color stay. The only thing about this foundation is the color. It's way too orange. I got the shade Toast. Obviously you can see I used to use it when I didn't know that I was yellow toned, so that's why it's basically gone. But I just basically put this in the middle portions of my face to give myself the extra coverage that I needed. For concealer today, I'm going to be using 2 of the Tarte Shape Tapes. I like to use 2 different colors because I don't have the perfect highlighting color for me, so I just mix these shades. This is the wrong one, but I mix these shades medium and light medium honey. Once my concealer is all blended out, I like to set my entire face with my favorite powder at the moment, which is the Cody Airspun powder. Cody Airspun smells like old grandma. And then I just like to buff in the remainder of the powder with the flat side of my Real Technique sponge. Once that step is finished, we're going to go in with the most important steps for someone like me, a tan, medium-ish skinned girl. Bronzing. I haven't found a perfect bronzer yet. I really want to try the Physicians Formula bronzer. I've heard it's really good, and I heard that they came out with like different shades too, which is amazing. So I might go buy that, but for now I'm going to use my Tarte No, let me go get it. The fact that I don't even know what it's called. This is her. She's cute. She got that leather packaging. I probably paid for the packaging more so than the product. I like orangey toned bronzers just because it gives me that really like sun-kissed look. I am going to clean up the bronzer with a little bit of the Airspun loose powder because it's like definitely messier than it usually is. Bro, I can't stop thinking about Stranger Things. Like, as I'm doing this, I can't stop thinking about Stranger Things and Finn Wolfhard. I fucking love Finn Wolfhard. And they're gonna take forever for Stranger Things 3 to come out. I can, like, feel it in my gut. 13 Reasons Why finally came out, and, like, everyone is talking about the ending already and how whack it was. And I'm terrified because I'm, like, really sensitive when it comes to TV shows that I love. Like, it'll actually F me up. When I was standing Vampire Diaries, first of all, that was so tragic. The ending of Vampire Diaries was so tragic. I was so, like, sad. It had me mess up. The whole, like, last 2 or 3 episodes of Vampire Diaries, I feel like I was crying the whole time. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of, okay. For sure. We're definitely gonna go in with a little bit of blush. Dude, I can't put this thing down. Ever since I bought it, it's game over for everything else, dude. Like, I don't use any of my other blushes. Like, this is the only thing I've been picking up since I bought it like 3 months ago. I'm gonna use this Morphe M30. What? Morphe M. The Morphe M30. Not sponsored by Morphe, but I wish. And why do I sound like I smoke 3 packs a day? If you want to look a little cutesy, I recommend dotting a little bit of blush on your nose. It's my latest trick to look like I'm actually getting some sun. Okay, so one of the Butterfingers, or so one of the final steps for the face is to spray. I like to use these Bedescu rose water sprays. This is the cucumber and aloe water. I have the lavender one, but this is my favorite one for some reason. I feel like this one smells the best because the rose water smells like roses and the purple one smells like lavender, and this one just smells really like clean and like it's actually doing something for my skin. So this is my most loved one. And I just like to spritz this all over my face, and then I like to buff all of my powders together just so that all the powders melt together and look more skin-like. And then I like to apply my highlighter. Usually the highlighter I will apply would be the Wet n Wild Mega Highlighting Powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown, which is just so freaking pretty. Like, so pretty and so inexpensive. That's definitely a good option. Or I will go in with my Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter, which has been... yeah, she hit pan. Dude, I've never hit pan on a highlighter, ever. I hit pan on this one, though. I think I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild one today because I'm feeling the more golden deep, Oh my god, I keep on dropping and hitting things so hard. I'm literally gonna break all my makeup, but I think I'm gonna go in with this one because this one's a more golden undertone and this one's a more peachy champagne-y undertone. We're gonna do a little bit of this first. That feels promising. First of all, what the actual? I just licked my lips and it has a bunch of this spray on it. Oh no. Let's move on to the eyes. What the fuck is this? What the Really, truthfully, honestly, if I'm gonna do eyeshadow for my everyday look, it's either gonna come from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which I don't like Jaclyn Hill. She's a little snake, but I gave her my quaint anyways because I wanted this palette. It's either gonna be that bad boy or the Modern Renaissance because this has a lot of good browny, goldeny undertone shade. And I usually like to blend those in with the Morphe M518. Not sponsored by Morphe. We're gonna go in with a little bit of that shade called Burnt Orange on a clean brush. Your makeup turns out the best if you work with clean brushes. So, with that being said, if you have nasty, dirty, gunky brushes right now, do your skin a favor and go wash them right now. It tastes like Mario Bedescu to me. After that, I'm just going to go in with the smallest bit of liquid liner just so that I have a little bit of training wheels so that my lashes don't look all wonky. The liner looks the smallest bit jagged and messy, so what I'm going to do is kind of blur it out and smoke it out with the smallest bit of dark brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And then after I do that, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera. If you want to know the style of the lashes and all that, it will be down in the description bar below. Truly, I can never really apply eyelashes correctly, although I apply them all the time. They're cute. They're little. Definitely not. Oof. So the lip liner we're going to use today is the Rimmel lip liner in the shade Tiramisu. This lip liner is my favorite lip liner ever. I just love the color of it. It's super cheap and affordable. And it's just the perfect nude for my skin tone. Once that's done, I like to add the gloss. This is just a little tiny mini gloss. This is a Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Vibrant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. And once that's done, this is basically the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me, you know? Or you can like this video, or you can click the bell down below so you can get notified every time I post, or you can do all three because that would be dope. Anyways, I'm going to go. I have shit to do now. Not really. I just did my makeup so that I can film a video so that I can get it up for you guys, but thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. That means it really rocked to me.